Artificial intelligence is not coming for jobs. In 2026, millions of people are discovering that their skills are no longer enough. Tasks that once took hours are now done in seconds by AI tools. Customer support, basic design, data entry, and even content creation are being automated. This doesn't mean humans are useless. It means the rules have changed. Jobs that depend on repetition are disappearing first. If your job can be explained step by step, AI can probably do it. But here's the part most people don't talk about. AI doesn't replace people who understand how to use it. It replaces people who ignore it. The most valuable workers in 2026 are not programmers. They are people who know how to work with AI systems. People who can manage, guide, and apply AI tools. Instead of fighting automation, they use it as leverage. That's why new roles are emerging. These roles didn't exist a few years ago. Most of them don't require a traditional degree. Learning one AI tool deeply is more powerful than learning 10 superficially. Those who survive are not the smartest. The future doesn't belong to AI. It belongs to people who know how to use it. If you want to stay ahead in 2026, start now. If you want more content about AI, technology, and smart ways to make money online, subscribe to Tech Savvy Finance and stay ahead of the curve.